Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about after you write the C language program, what happens in the backend. So let us see here. I have taken one simple program to perform the addition of two numbers. So once I compile and run the program, what will happen in the backend, we will discuss in detail about this. So let us start with this one. So first, when you execute the program, your execution starts from void and main. After that, how many memory will get created, guys? Because I am having three variables, so in the backend, there will be three memory created. Memory 1, memory 2, and memory 3. After creating this three memory, you will get a question, what is the size of this one, guys? So as you know that integer size is basically, if you go with the Turbo C, it is a 2 byte. But if you are using the modern compilers like C, Dev C++ or any other one, there it will take 4 byte. How to check? Already you know size of operator, you can check. So here it will create 4 bytes of each memory size. Name of the first is A, second is B, and third is sum. So 3 memory got created. You tell me, what is the by default value, guys? Answer is not 0. It is a garbage value. Sir, what is the garbage value? Garbage value means system will take some random value which will available in the system. We can't decide whether it is 0, 1. Everybody will get the different output. Might be if I execute, you will get 0, 0. Second time if you try to explain the same thing, might be you will get minus something, 10,000 or 5,000, whatever it is. That value we called it what? Garbage. So right now what is the value, guys, here? Garbage value. I will write here GB. GB is not the value, garbage value. Garbage means random, anything it will be there. So whenever you define any memory, immediately it will take a garbage value. Now, next, what is the message you gave? Enter the two numbers. So this message will get display on the screen. Enter the two numbers. Whatever you wrote, it will be printed as it is. This is the screen. This is the memory you imagine. After that, you enter the two numbers. Let us say I gave here 10 and 20. Address of A means wherever the address of A is there it will replace with 10. So now it is rewriting, guys. Remember, if you don't give the value, it will give garbage. But right now I am giving value. What is the second value, guys? It is a 20. So like this, it will give the 20. But still, what is the sum value? Garbage value only, because we do not assign any values. Now next statement is what? Sum is equals to A plus B. So what is the sum value here? 10 plus 20. So now it will get changed to what? 30. And now after coming here, we are writing sum. So it will print on the screen whatever it is. Sum is equals to 30. So very simple concept. So like this, you have to go the step by step to understand the memory management. So which value is filled and which value is not filled, you will get very easily. So because many beginners will do these mistakes. That's why I explain in detail. If you want me to explain some more logics, you can comment me. I will definitely work on that one. Thank you for watching this video, guys.